This week, I want to get the drivetrain in the car for good, and it starts with bolting up the new Monster transmission 4L80E to the back of the motor. This 4L80E was built specifically for us by Monster. It's their super sport model, capable of handling up to 750 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque, which is perfect for this car. With Monster transmission bolted up to the back of the engine, the entire package is slid into the Jag and gets bolted up to the mount. The Jaguar Specialty stuff is spec'd out for an LS1 with a 4L60, and it's a different length transmission. The 80 is longer, and their transmission mount just won't work, so we used pieces of it. So until next time, I'm Kevin Tetz, and thank you for watching Hands on Cars.